Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You'll start by verifying hardware and permissions so problems aren't hiding upstream. First, plug in or unmute your mic and test it in the OS sound panel to confirm input levels move. Once done, open your browser, go to Meet, Google.com, and allow microphone access when prompted. If you denied it earlier, use the Site Permissions menu to re-enable. Finally, make sure the system input and the browser's chosen device match. Mismatched devices are a common silent failure. You now focus on application-level selection and conflicts. In a Meet call, click Settings, go to Audio, and explicitly choose your microphone. This forces Meet to use that input. Next, inspect browser permissions and disable any extensions that block camera/microphone or alter media streams because they can intercept audio. If things still fail, restart the browser. A fresh session clears resource locks. Make sure to try an alternative Chromium-based browser if your default one has persistent compatibility quirks. Finish by isolating remaining causes and applying quick remedies. Use Meet's microphone preview to see input in real time, then start a test call with a colleague to confirm voice reaches others. If issues continue, update your audio drivers, operating system, and browser. Outdated drivers often break permission handoffs. As a last quick isolation step, plug in a USB headset or external mic. If that works, your built-in microphone or its drivers are the culprit. If nothing helps, reboot.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.